Hi everyone, this is Matthew again. Today is 11th February 2020. This is our second video for today. As stated earlier in our first video, we told you that the broker recently upgraded their algorithm, so the trading became more sophisticated. Our last strategy, that is the demystified touch strategy, became obsolete, so we have to make a follow-up strategy. I've logged into the trading platform. Don't forget to subscribe to the channels for more upcoming strategies. Just hit the subscribe button. So these are the rules for this strategy, the second strategy. This is the rule. This is the link to sign up for a free trader account. All this information will be pasted in the video description on YouTube. This is a link to our channels. This is the first channel and this is the second channel, and this is a link to our forum website. So let's get back to the trading. So after signing up for a trader account, make sure you use the webtrader to trade as webtrader.binary.com. So here I'm going to open the trade. We'll trade 3 times in this strategy. Here I'm going to open the chart as well. I'll do the 10 index. We'll open the indicator. You go to indicator, you scroll down to pattern recognition, then you choose the matching low indicator. Is it right here? You click on OK, you scroll down, you click on OK. So I'm going to change this to tick, then I'm going to move this very close. So we change this to up, down, then we choose lower, then our tick will be 5 ticks. Our barrier offset to be plus 0.300, then I'll be staking 40 USD. Okay, so we'll trade 3 times, and remember, after our first trade we have to wait for at least 1 minute. That's why we're using the timer. We have to wait for at least 1 minute before we place the second trade. After our first trade, you have to wait for at least 1 minute. So once this blue line goes below the middle level, we'll click on purchase, or once it's at the middle level, we'll click on purchase. You can see the blue line is not moving now, so we have to change this to minutes again and change it to ticks again. Then we'll move this very close for us to be able to see the blue line movement. You can see the blue line is moving now. Okay, so once it's below the middle level, we click on purchase. So it's below the middle level, we click on purchase. So we want the first trade. So we'll go for the second trade after 1 minute. So once it's 54th minute, we click on purchase. Once it's 54th minute, we click on purchase. You have to wait for this timer to change to 54th minute. Then we'll watch the indicator again, and we'll click on purchase. Remember, you have to wait. So we are going for trade number 2 after this. You have to wait for at least 1 minute before you place the second trade. So that's 54th minute. Then you have to watch the line again once it's below the middle level. So it's below the middle level right there. We click on purchase. So you can see we want the second trade, so we'll go for the last trade. So you have to wait for this timer to change to 53 minutes. You can see it's 54th minute. As once it's 53, about 53 30 something seconds, we place the third trade. You have to wait for at least 1 minute after your last trade before you place your next trade. So you have to wait. We are going for the last trade now. That's trade number 3. Okay, it's 53 minutes, so let's wait for it to get to 33 seconds. Then we'll watch the line again. Once it's below the middle level, we'll click on purchase. Okay, 55. Okay, so we can place the next trade now. Okay, so as you can see, we won all the trades. We won the third trade, so that will be our last trade for today. So don't forget to subscribe to our channels and share the video among other traders. Thanks for watching. Bye.